You created a plan for transforming federal IT management. Near the top of the plan was the cloud-first policy. What does that mean, and why did you consider it so important?
I asked a very simple question, which is that if a small business, a startup, was going to launch, how would they actually launch a company in the private sector? Well, most companies, if you went to venture capitalists or your board of directors and said, you know, I need millions of dollars because I need to hire an army of consultants to stand up my email system. I need to basically build a custom financial system, or I actually need to build out a data center so I can host a website, you would get laughed out of the room. And that's exactly what the federal government was doing. And so as I looked at that, I said, well, what are startups doing? Well, if they're starting up a company, they're going to go to Google for email or Microsoft, Hotmail. They're going to go to Intuit and use QuickBooks for their financial systems. They're actually going to go to a number of providers online to stand up a website, and they get value day one. Literally, they provision those services. They don't spend months or years procuring the services. For the federal government, imagine with a purchasing power of $80 billion, if we demanded out of the vendor community and said, we want value day number one. We don't want to wait years, and we don't want to spend millions of dollars because we've seen this movie, and it always ends poorly.
Why wasn't it done long before you got there?
I think in general, in Washington, what ends up happening is there's a huge focus on policy, not a lot of focus on execution. Whether it's how bills get passed after they're passed, that's a celebration. It's not really what came out of it. So one of the things we did from day one is we wanted to make sure that we set specific timelines. We actually put in specific people who are responsible for executing, and we're ruthless about making sure that we're delivering. To give you an example, one of the first things I did when I took over was I took the picture of every CIO in the federal government. I put it right next to the IT project they were responsible for. And you could see online on this IT dashboard whether that project was on schedule or not. And the president actually looked at the IT dashboard. We took a picture of that, and I put it online. Moments later, I got so many phone calls from CIOs who said, for the first time, my cabinet secretary is asking me why this project is red or green or yellow. And one agency actually ended up halting 45 IT projects immediately. Just a sheer act of shining light and making sure that you focus on execution, not just policy.